This is the front view of my truck. Yes, I know I named it Black Beauty. Just my first vehicle, so trying to figure out what's wrong with my carburetor. It likes to stick really high, so I'm gonna start it up, show you guys. This doesn't sound too nice right now. I try to figure out what was wrong with it. It just likes to click up and go run real high. I don't know why, but alright. So I get a good view for you guys out there. I just gotta figure out why it's running so rich, but I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Thanks.